What's good, y'all? Welcome to the channel. Dylan here. Had to put on the shades. It's bright as hell right now. You know, summertime. But anyways, what are we gonna do today? So aesthetic wise, it's time to make some moves on the build. I have a vision for how I want the car to look this summer. Hopefully it comes out nice. So I'm gonna head out to a store, pick up a new mod, just a small little mod. And then when we come back, I also have another mod that I'm gonna be unboxing. So stick around, let's go. So before we go, something I realized I never talked about in these videos. As some of you know, this car, I'm not running a header right now. It's dyno tuned, but I'm not running a header. So yeah, I'm not running a header. The reason for that, I wasn't too sure if I was gonna keep the N1. In my area, if you have a loud car, you can get into trouble. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to run a header and the N1, because that would be like a loud setup. But after running this exhaust for months, I actually really like this setup. I really like the N1, it sounds good, cracks, pops, all that stuff, I like it. So the header I'm really thinking about getting is the NVIDIA header to match this whole setup. And apparently that header still maintains the sound. It's a long runner, the fitment is good. So that's the direction I'm thinking of going with this car. I don't know when, but that's the header that I think I will get for this car. Yeah, this exhaust is loud, but I think it's doable, and especially with that header, it'll match it up pretty nice. You never really see a full NVIDIA setup. You see a lot of Skunk 2s. So yeah, I'm trying to be different with this build. That's just what I'm thinking. So anyways, time to head out. Let's make some moves. So I just made it here. Time to pick up a small little mod. And yeah, I'll be right back. Summer is so nice, windows down, just cruising, enjoying the VTEC. Gotta love it. Love the sound, man. So I made it back home. This is what I picked up. You guys will find out in a sec. Okay, so now let's look at what I picked up. So we got the Cobra front end mask. So let me pull it out. That's what it looks like. So as you can tell, I picked up a hood bra for the FA5. It should change the look of the front end. Should make it a little bit more aggressive.
3 days later.
Okay, so I'm gonna continue where I left off from. The other day I had to do other things, so I couldn't finish the video. So today we're gonna install the hood bra, and then I'm gonna do an unboxing for another mod that I have for the FA5. So let's get started again. So I already wiped down the hood with a microfiber. So first things first, pop open the hood. So with the hood open, now I'm just gonna slide the hood bra on. And just to look at it, this hood bra has like a soft padding on the inside to protect the paint. So I literally just slid the hood bra on the hood. There it is right there. You want to make sure this lining lines up properly, so I have to fix that. But now you got the thread just dangling. So now you want to take this hook. I'm going to put it into like the second hole. And then after that, you use this and just tighten it. So just so you can see which hole I'm talking about, it's not the first one, it's the second one. And after it's fastened, it should look like this. It stretches the elastic. That way the hood bra is secured. The same thing on this side. finished this one. Now the middle one, you just put it over here, over this band over here, and do the same thing. I think I'm gonna use this hole maybe. Okay, so I fastened all the threads. I changed my mind. Instead of using the second hole, I put one here, I put one there, put the middle one over there. It's because when I test fitted it, it was sagging. So this was the best way to get it flush. And then all these loose threads, I'm just gonna cut it. And then that's about it. Just get your scissors and start cutting. Simple as that. So hopefully everything is good. You want to keep this away from the engine because it does get hot. Hopefully these don't, overheat. But yeah, we're all done. Alright, so take a look at the final product. It's looking mean now. So we got a hood bra for the FA5. This is something I rock on and off. It makes the car look a little bit more aggressive, and it's gonna protect the hood from rock chips, stuff like that. And that's part of the reason why I got the car detailed. And yeah, I really like the look of this hood bra. It reminds me of like the EG Civics, EK Civics, 90s Civic. So now it's time to do an unboxing. Stay right here, and I'll be right back. So we got this package right here. I wonder what it could be. Got the package right here. Gonna unbox it. Got the knife. Let's go. Okay. So we got a package from Top One. I don't know if you can see it. Closer look at this package from Top One Motors. Got this in here. This is the second piece. So it's just those two pieces and the sticker, and it actually comes with hardware. Let me take it out of the bubble wrap. Here it is. It's actually quite light. So this is the Top One Motors winglets. This is actually for the FG2, but it fits the FA5 as well. This is gonna go somewhere at the bottom. It should look something like this. Got your Top One logo on the side. It's kind of like a splitter, but it's just the edges. Yo, this mod right here is gonna look super fire. I didn't want to go with a full splitter because I like the look of the front lip. So I feel like these winglets are gonna complement it nice. It's gonna add a little black to the front and just make the car look so much more aggressive. Woo! The FA5 is coming to life. So excited for it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content on this. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.